tricep extensions on the floor. Go ahead and place your towel on the floor or your yoga mat. Let's go ahead and lay on the floor. To prevent the lower back from arching, let's bring the legs up to a standing position on the floor. Arms are overhead and you are just bending at the elbow, hands towards the ceiling, elbows towards your knees. If this is too much stress on your elbows, then limit your range of motion. Now, if this is too easy for you, if you have a couple of soup cans, vegetables, whatever you have available, let's just practice your form. Contract the muscle in the up position. Keep it contracted as you are lowering it down to a comfortable range of motion for you and back out towards the ceiling again. Remember, keep the belly button drawn in towards the floor or towards your spine. Nonetheless, collarbones are still open. For my advanced individuals, we're going to go with dumbbells. Keep the collarbones open. Elbows towards the knees, lowering the dumbbells down towards the head and extending back up towards the ceiling to a comfortable range of motion that your elbows will allow. Thank you.